In fact, we saw a very strong rally on Wall Street last night. The S&P 500 rose fueled by strong gains in AI leader Nvidia as investors anticipated details on potential US trade deals. The broad market index added about 0.5% overnight, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average that gained over 200% or about 0.5% there. Whereas the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite that rose almost 1%, that is 0.81%. Now, Nvidia, along with other chip stocks like that helped drive this rally that came on Wall Street. Now, the dominant maker of artificial intelligence chips, that is Nvidia, advanced nearly 3%, extending Monday's gains that it saw and passing Microsoft in the market cap for the first time since January. Meanwhile, others like Broadcom and Micron Technology rose more than 3% and more than 4% respectively. Apart from that, CrowdStrike shares fell about 5% in extended trading on Tuesday after the security software maker issued a weaker than expected revenue forecast. However, these moves followed the Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development cutting its US growth outlook. Now, the OECD now sees the US economy expanding by just 1.6% in 2025. That's down from its earlier forecast of 2.2%. Now, remember, tariffs and policy uncertainty were among the key factors that they've cited explaining the reduction in their forecast. Nonetheless, overall, a strong upside seen on Wall Street overnight. But how are things looking on the crude front, Ankur?
Crude is holding steady, in fact still on 3 weeks high. If you talk about Brent crude that was trading above $65 and WTI around $63. Why it has happened? Because American Petroleum Institute reported stockpiles fell by 3.28 barrels last week, and after this data and also the meeting which has happened last week, crude is actually trading above $63 if you talk about WTI.
That's